So hi guys, my name is Bharat and I'm the branch head of QSpiders Marathahalli. So we have a placed candidate with us. We'll have his introduction and we'll get to know how we got this job. So introduce yourself.
Hi sir, my name is Kumar Abhinav. I am from Patna, Bihar. I came here in 27 November 2024. I got placed in the Games Very Lab company. Sir. It's a manual testing and gaming testing job, and we have to do test the games whatever they are developing. It's a product based company also.
Okay. So how was your journey in QSpiders?
It was very good, sir. I came here, I started with the skills, that knowledge I had not, but substituted here. And afterwards, I started learning Java by Ravi sir and Ramana sir. The knowledge was very helpful. Then I started with manual testing. The starting, Abhishek sir was teaching us. Then Sakti sir took over. Both trainers are very good. Before coming here, I was not knowing anything about software testing. They told me everything about that software testing, and afterwards I got to know that when we are developing a software, we have to do this kind of testing as well to make sure that it's working fine or not, how it's working, how performance is. So after getting to know these things, so my manual testers like B.C.A. sir and Sakti sir are very good. Afterwards, I joined advanced Java Selenium, which Kiran sir took. He was also very good. He was a very nice person, and he taught in depth what is Selenium, how to do automations, how to do test engines, and like that we completed yesterday or today itself. We are completed the batch, and now I'm getting placed, so I'll be going.
So nice. So what are all rounds of interview you had? How did you crack them?
First round was your technical round. In here, they were asking what is sanity smoke, validation testing. Then they were asking what games we have played because it's a gaming testing company also. Then were asking if I give you a particular feature, can you write set scenarios for them, like 12 to 13 test scenarios I have written for them. And afterwards, we were just interacting with him, and then after 2 days, we had a HR round. The HR was only communicating with me and telling me what.
Okay. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
All the best.